In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. Half up, half down. Really cute. My first time, I used this hair, Jamaican twist wave. I don't remember how much I got this from. I just combined two sentences. I do not remember where I got this from, and I don't know how much it was. I can go look it up. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, it actually comes with a closure. And it's a 5-piece, and it's 1B. It comes with 16-inch, 18-inch, 20-inch, 22-inch, and my ponytail is actually the 20-inch. I decided to layer it. I put the 22-inch first, got rid of all that, and then I did the 18-inch, and then I did the 16-inch. And I had some of that left over. But as you can see, you can't like really see the part. The way that I installed the hair is so that you really don't have to see that part. Like, it's really invisible, you know. And I like it like that, like, because then that means you don't have to see the tracks or whatever. But yeah, for this hairstyle, you're just gonna need 1 pack of this, or any hair of your choice, but that's hair that I use. Some flat irons. I have 4C hair. I use that to slick down my hair. We're also gonna need some hair glue. I literally use this whole bottle. Some heat protectant spray for your leave out, and some got to be for your leave out, and also some edge control, and a brush to brush your hair. You're gonna need 2 stocking caps, 1 for your ponytail and 1 for the back of your head, because you don't, especially if, what's that? I don't even know. Oh, my chain. Because if you're natural, or anybody period, I know you don't want that glue stuff on your hair. If you do, more power to you, but I don't. So yeah, this is the final look. It's very cute. So first, starting off with freshly washed hair. I've already parted my hair. I wanted my ponytail super high, so as you can see right there, that's how much hair I'm leaving out. And then I put my hair in braids back to the back. And so first, what you're going to do is take the track and measure from side to side in the back of your head, and then you're going to take the glue and then apply it to the back. You can also use like a mirror or something to look to see if you like how it is. And then you're going to take your blow dryer, and then you're going to blow dry it on. Basically, you don't really need the blow dryer, but I recommend a blow dryer. It helps it like melt in and dry faster. So yeah. So right here, I'm just repeating the steps, measuring and making sure that I get the right, measured across from both ends of the cap, ear to ear. And then after that, what I'm going to do is just cut it off and then take the glue and apply it. So right here, I wanted to show you guys how I kind of made my part invisible. So as you can see how the hair is curved at the top all the way, it's kind of like bringing the hair up where it meets my real hair and the wig cap, so that the hair doesn't, so that the track doesn't show. So right here, I wanted to show you guys that if you lay down a track and you have a big gap, you can just lift the hair up and apply the track, because I did that and I had to go back and just lift the hair up and feel for the cap, the part that's missing, and just for the very top section. I'm just measuring and I'm cutting like small pieces, like that'll fit for those little bitty sections. That's what you want to do. So basically, you're gonna need at least 3 pieces for the back, as you see I'm measuring, and then the left and the right sides of your hair, because it's hard for the track to curve around like that in that small section. And really I only used 2 to cover up that top section. So now I'm just spraying heat protectant on my leave out, and then I'm going to iron out my hair.
Told my girl to pipe down, need it right now. Lately I've been going till the lights out. Got my face up and my eyes down. Shawty, now you know what this is like now. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. I told her my way, what can I say? Ooh, I got them looking at me sideways. I can't take no days off, they know I can't. Lately I've been in a different mind state, and I got them tripping. I've been making hits, I don't got no time for misses. Shawty wanna ring, yeah, she tryna be a missus. I've been so ahead, I don't think y'all.
So I decided to try the little salon method that I see them doing in the salon. So what you're going to do is spray the got2b on your leave out, and then use the brush to slick it up. And then for the rest of the time I'm going to just be using my hand because it's easier. But you want to just keep slicking that up and hold it in like a ponytail position as you blow dry it.
And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. I told her my way, what can I say? Ooh, I got them looking at me sideways. I can't take no days off, they know I can't. Lately I've been in a different mind state, and I got them tripping. I've been making hits, I don't got no time for misses. Shawty wanna ring, yeah, she tryna be a missus. I've been so ahead, I don't think y'all really get it. They been taking L's, they can't see how I've been winning. And I got a drip, so they see me making waves. They don't even see how many chances I done gave. I've been working hard, dog, I think I need a raise. Said I couldn't do it, but I told my girl to pipe down. Need it right now. Lately I've been going.
So for your ponytail, you're just gonna section it into 3 pieces and then braid it up. So what I'm doing here is placing the wig cap over my braid and twisting it around sort of like a bantu knot, but also making sure that my braid is still up. So, you know, pull it so that it's up and that you get the whole form. And this is to protect your real hair, because you do not want to put glue on your real hair. I mean, I know I don't. So just take a rubber band and secure that on, and now we can begin gluing. So as I mentioned before, I'm using the 20-inch for my ponytail, and this is so that I can adjust the length if I want it longer or shorter. I kept it the exact length. So what you want to do is start at the tip and then just wrap it around, and then use your blow dryer to secure.
Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean.
Yeah. I've been buying 40 once I heard the 36s. I can tell 100 stacks by I am a mathematician. Just so many plays up from my dealer, I get commission. Walking, I got my bitches on display like exhibition. If a Wi-Fi connected ain't the first time. $250,000 in the Hermes, hurt my shoulder. In Dubai, got my grades down, my turn tide off. Moving in a motorcade, in the bourbon riding solo. Yeah, solitaire stones look like breath mints. Yeah, you rock fake jewelry, I need an EpiPen. That bitch fucking with a shrimp, she pescatarian. She wanna come fuck with a boss, she ate every inch. Yeah.
Need it right now. Lately I've been told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3, cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got away, we been chilling by the ocean.
Yeah. I've been buying 40 once I heard the 36s. I can tell 100 stacks by eye, I'm a mathematician. Just when many plays up from my dealer, I get commission. Walking, I got my bitches on display like exhibition. If a Wi-Fi connected, ain't the first time. $250,000 in the Hermes, hurt my shoulder. In Dubai, got my base, got my turntide. Moving in a motorcade, in the bourbon riding solo. Yeah, solitaire stones look like breath mints. Yeah, rock fake jewelry, I need an EpiPen. That bitch fucking with a shrimp, she pescatarian. She wanna come fuck with a boss, she ate every inch. Yeah.
Need it right now. Lately I've been going till the lights out. Got my face up and my eyes down. Shorty, now you know what this is like now. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3, cause you know I'm zoning. Shorty right now. Lately I've been going till the lights out. Got my face up and my eyes down. Shorty, now you know what this is like now. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3, cause you know I'm zoning. Shorty got the ocean. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning.